Welcome to Family Credit Solutions. Our goal is to help families everywhere improve their overall financial health by building and maintaining good credit. We want to enable them to purchase their dream home and live the lifestyle only imagined by others. We will partner with you, listen to you to understand your goals and design a plan of action. We will get started repairing your credit to reach your desired FICO score. We will use the federal and state laws to contact your creditors and the credit bureaus on your behalf. We remove late payments, inquiries, student loan debt, charge-offs and more in a timely manner. You will see results in as little as 45 days. We will analyze your TransUnion, Experian and Equifax credit reports and go over them with you step by step. If you don't have your current reports, we can do them instantly for you. Once you decide to proceed with our credit repair program, we will establish a path to get your inaccurate items removed from your credit reports following the FCRA, HIPAA, FCPA, and other consumer laws. Ready to get started? Go to www.newficoscore and register, and we will contact you soon. Or call Family Credit Solutions at 781-739-3132.